Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install the Wi-Fi driver on your laptop with Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. So if you have trouble with your Wi-Fi driver, especially or your Wi-Fi is not working properly after you update your Windows. This is often happen when you try to update uh, after update your Windows 11. So the first thing to do is you have to know what manufacturer of your a laptop, for example. So my laptop is Asus. So all you have to do is go to the asus.com, the official website, and try to search your laptop a search your laptop version, laptop model. After that, you can access driver and tool here and try to update your, please select your operating system first and try to search the driver package. Here you can try to search the networking area, for example, here. You can download this card driver, WWAN card driver, and I hope you can download all the driver from here to update your laptop. And also if this not working, you can try to use the driver in from Intel wireless Wi-Fi for Windows 10 or and Windows 11. Let's change it. So you can download it manually here and try to install it. And also there is another way. You can hold Windows and X key and try to open the device manager. Here you can try to search your Wi-Fi adapter or network adapter. Here we go. This one. As you can see, I'm using Intel Wi-Fi. Here, try to update the driver. You can search automatically for driver or browse your computer for drivers. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the text button below. See you in the next video.